Good morning kids. On yesterday's class, we learned exercise 2.1, one more than a number. To get one more than, we had to count the numbers in a forward direction. Yesterday, what I given the homework? I told you to rewrite the 7 story problems in the notebook, which contains exercise 2.1, one more than a number. As well as I told you to color the leaves. Okay? What we drawn on yesterday's class, in the textbook itself you had to color it. This homework I told you to complete in yesterday's class. In today's class, introduction about addition. How to add the number, which are the sign we are going to use for addition, and the terms which contain addition. Step by step we will learn. Starting addition introduction, we are having in the textbook with the sum of story example. With the help of pictures and with the help of the stories, we will learn about the addition. Okay kids, what you have to do? Now we open the textbook, page number 94. In this page, we are having addition stories. We are having beautiful pictures of beetroot and chilies, green and red chilies we are having. With the help of these pictures, let us learn about the addition. So children, open this page. See children, page number 94. This is about addition. Exercise 2.2 addition from 1 to 9. Study this example. With the help of this picture, we will see the example number 1. Carol kept 2 beetroots in the basket. Carol, what he did? At first he kept 2 beetroots in the basket. Tina put 1 more beetroot in the basket. Tina, what she did? She added 1 more beetroot to the basket. Now, how many beetroots are there in all? See here. In all means we have to do the addition. A story containing these words in all together, total, sum. If we are having these lines in our story means what we have to do? We have to do the addition. Let us count the beetroots. Let us count the beetroot. How many total beetroots we are having? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 beetroots in the basket. How many beetroots we are having? 3 beetroots in the basket. Example number 2. There are 3 red chilies in a plate. How many red chilies we are having? 1, 2, 3. We are having 3 red chilies in the plate. 2 more green chilies were put in the basket. What did? Here 2 more chilies were added to the plate. 2 more green chilies were added to the plates. How many chilies are there all together? See here. In all we are having, if we are having means we have to do the addition. All together means also we have to do the addition. In all together, total, sum. If the story containing this sentence means we have to do the addition. Let us count the chilies. There are 5 chilies all together. Let us count the chilies. How many chilies we are having? 5. There are 5 chilies all together. How many chilies we are having? 5 chilies all together. Now, in the addition operation, we put things or objects all together. To get the addition answer, what we have to do? We have to put the things or objects all together. Combinedly we have to do. We call the process addition. By joining that things or objects, that operation we used to call as addition. The second example can be written as, okay, for the second example, this chili example can be written in the different way as 3 red chilies and 2 green chilies is equal to 5 chilies. Means by adding 3 red chili and 2 green chili, how many chilies we will get? We will get 5 chilies. Next, 3 red chilies, 2 green chilies in all. Here equal to, otherwise in all together. I already told that if the sentence having these words means we had to do the addition. 3 red chilies and 2 green chilies is 5 chilies altogether. Altogether in or equal to. Okay. Next we are having pictures of example 1 and 2. What we learnt earlier in the textbook itself. How in a different way we can say this example. We can represent the above example using the addition sign. Which is the addition sign here? One parallel line and one perpendicular line. See here. One line. On this line we have to make one more line. This is the sign of addition. See here. This is the sign of addition. What we will call that sign as a PLUS plus. PLUS plus. Let us write the addition sentence. Okay. Let us write the addition sentence. In how many different ways we can represent this example, we will see here. At first, how many beetroots we are having? We are having 2 beetroots. Yes, no, at first we are having only 2 beetroots and 1 beetroot added to that one. At first 2 plus 1 which is equal to 1, 2, 3. 3 beetroots. 3. How to read as? 2 plus 1 equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Understood this one? By adding 1 beetroot to 2 beetroots, how many beetroots we got? We got 3 beetroots. Next, this is example number 2 about chilies. At first, how many chilies we are having? 3 red chilies we are having and 2 green chilies we are having. 3 red chilies and 2 green chilies which is equal to 5 chilies. Read as 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. This is about addition. This is the sign of addition. What the spelling of plus? PLUS plus. If a sentence having altogether, in, equal, total, sum, if the sentence we are having these words means we have to do the addition. Going to today's classwork. We already completed the number names till 160. Now take down as a classwork. Today's day, Wednesday, date 25th of August 2021. Here I wrote 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170. This is our classwork and homework starting and ending number I given you. See here. This is our homework starting from 171 to which ends with 180. This is your homework. Very neatly you had to complete the remaining numbers as 172, 173, 174, 175 like this. Complete till 180. Okay, like this very neatly you had to complete the number names from 161 to 180 and send it to me. In tomorrow's class we will see the different types of addition. How many types are there? How to represent in a different way? We will see in tomorrow's class. Okay, bye.